Hello friends, today we are going to discuss about Google investment in India. Around $10 billion, 75,000 crores investing in India. Because broadband users base in India crosses 500 millions and using more data than ever, 4 GB on an average every month. And they are thinking that it projected to grow 11 GB per month next 4 years. So to digitalize the India, they want to grab the market, and Google investing these $10 billion in equity investment, partnership, operational, infrastructure and ecosystem investment. By this, who will benefit means like Reliance, if Google take a stack on Jio, and telecom operators like Airtel or Vodafone, and broadband service providers like Network 18 and Den Networks and Hathway Cables. These are the few stocks in India which providing broadband services, and Network 18 has number of channels and OTT apps like this. With this investment, data centers, manufacturing or undertaking companies will also benefit, because mainly this digitalization world transactions of e-commerce, health, telecom, payments takes a major decisions for future growth of their companies. To analysis, data storage is very important. Data storage done in data centers, and few companies manage data centers also, and they are Reliance Industries and Infibeam and Sterling and Wilson and Tata Communication. These are the few companies which are in stocks. There are another companies also which are providing services of data centers, but these stocks have major portion on data centers. Thank you friends. Please subscribe my channel.